Well, thank you very much, Permanent Secretary, and again, colleagues from the press, welcome to the Ministry of Mines and Mining Development. The Ministry of Mines and Mining Development has been seized with a lot of complaints from stakeholders over service delivery, especially from its provincial offices. As a result, and in line with the Zimbabwe's Open for Business mantra, and in line with the thrust for zero tolerance for corruption by His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Zimbabwe, Comrade E.D. Mnangagwa, the Ministry has been and will be investigating all complaints of malpractices by its staff. Such investigations have resulted in the suspension of surveyors at its Mashonaland West Provincial Mining Office. Similar investigations have resulted in the simultaneous suspension of duty today, 5th of July 2019, of most of the technical staff at the Mashonaland Central Provincial Office, including the Provincial Mining Director. These suspensions have been done in order to pave way for thorough investigations. Following the suspension of several of the technical staff today at the Mashonaland Central Provincial Office, it has become necessary to temporarily suspend all services offered by that office with effect from lunchtime today, 1 o'clock today, 5th of July 2019, until end of day, Wednesday, 10th of July 2019, to allow the Ministry to put in place measures to enable sound service delivery whilst investigations are in progress. During this period from midday today, from 1 o'clock today, 5th of July 2019, until end of day, Wednesday, 10th of July 2019, a minimal skeleton staff will be manning the office to attend to any urgent issues which may arise from stakeholders. The Ministry would like to apologize to its stakeholders for any inconveniences which may be caused by the temporary suspension of services, but would like to assure all that this is being done in the public interest. The Ministry would like to further assure all stakeholders that all cases of malpractices will be fully investigated and the necessary corrective action taken. Such corrective action will also extend to beggars where they are found to be complicit in any malpractices. And the necessary tracking mechanisms to this effect are being put in place. Finally, I would like to take this opportunity to once again assure all stakeholders and the public. I think at this stage it would not be proper to do that, except that there is a sound basis of the Ministry taking the decision it has taken in view of the malpractices which were which were brought to this attention. But I think at this stage, all I can just say is the Ministry has standard operating procedures and standards which have to be met and the basis of the suspension is the failure to achieve those standards and operating standards. Yes.
My name is Ishimo, the chairman of Fox. You said there are surveyors from Marsh West, technical staff from Marsh Central. Maybe if you can tell us the number of the staff that have been affected.
From Marsh West, it's 2 people, and from Marsh Central, it's 8 people who constitute almost the entire technical staff. Hence the decision to suspend operations. But Marsh West, just 2 people, 2 surveyors.
Obviously, your critics will say that probably the ministry is moving for small fish. Are we likely going to see this kind of action if you suspect this kind of malpractices in the higher offices?
Well, if you look at the ministry organogram, a director in the ministry is not a small fish. Anything else? Yes.
Yeah, I have a follow-up question. I don't know whether I'm pushing you to do info information or not. Because we have seen actually a downward trend in gold production being delivered to the country. And there were allegations that there's a lot of sudden marketing which is happening. Do you think it might be related to...
Okay, let me put it this way: the issues on here have nothing to do with the marketing of gold. It's more to do with claim administration in terms of awarding and administration of claims. And I think beyond that, I won't say anything further. It's nothing to do with the marketing of gold. It's more for claims administration, which is the awarding and administration of mining title. Yes.
Thank you. Chakuchi Ambaku from Zimpekas TV. You gave us that this suspension is going until Wednesday. Are you sure you have completely exhausted all the investigation?
Okay, let me clarify. What has happened is we have the staff who have been suspended. But because the staff who have been suspended constitute almost the entire technical team, it becomes almost impossible to run the office. So what we have done is we've suspended services from Mashonaland West provincial offices until Wednesday, end of day. What will happen from Thursday, Marsh Central. What will happen between now and Wednesday is the ministry will pull resources from within the ministry or other government departments to ensure that there is a technical structure which will be able to continue to deliver service. That's really the main reason for But in terms of the investigations relating to the affected people, that certainly will take beyond Wednesday. But the reason for the suspension I want to emphasize is these 8 people constitute the entire, or not the entire, but the bulk of the technical team, which is the core of the services provided by the ministry. So, it's hence the need to suspend operations, and by Wednesday, end of day, the ministry will have put in place, a structure in terms of the surveyors, the engineers, and other technical staff required to resume the, providing services from Thursday.
Any further questions?
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Okay.